Have an old NRP file from a Nero project and need to recover the disk layout? This is a saved compilation from one of the original CD-DVD burning powerhouses. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to open and work with these Nero Burning ROM project files. Near the end, we'll discuss the essential features of a professional-grade NRP file inspection tool that supports hundreds of other formats as well. An NRP file is a project file created by Nero Burning ROM, a popular optical disk authoring program. It does not contain the actual media data, but rather a list of files and settings for a CD or DVD compilation. Users create NRP files to save their project and continue burning disks later. The NRP format is a proprietary binary file that acts as a manifest or blueprint. It stores pointers to the source files on the user's hard drive, along with metadata like disk layout, volume labels, and burning settings. This design saves disk space by not duplicating the source data within the project file itself. The developer of Nero Burning ROM, Nero AG, created the original specifications for NRP. Standard Windows programs often fail to correctly display all layers of the document. Windows only supplies high-level attributes, so full access requires dedicated data processing software. We need to force an application assignment. Right-click your NRP file and select Open With. If Nero Burning ROM is installed, test it. If it's unavailable, select another program. Testing is the most direct path to the fix. If you cannot access the NRP file, no problem. We're skipping the panic and focusing on the facts. Let's quickly review the common technical reasons your system is reporting this specific NRP error. First, opening in Nero. Install Nero Burning ROM and use File then Open to load the NRP project file. The compilation window restores the original file selections and disk layout exactly as saved. Verify all source files remain accessible at their original paths before initiating the burn process to avoid missing file errors during disk creation. Next, recovering project data. If Nero is unavailable, open NRP files in a hex editor like HXD to extract embedded file paths and disk structure information. The text strings reveal which source files were included, enabling manual recreation of the project in alternative burning software like CD Burner XP or imgburn that does not support NRP directly. Finally, migrating to modern tools. Recreate NRP project contents in modern burning tools by manually adding the source files identified from the original project. imgburn, CD Burner XP, and Ashampoo Burning Studio offer free alternatives with project save functions in their native formats. For ISO creation, use AnyBurn or Power ISO, which provide comprehensive disk authoring features. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. If you found the instructions clear, please like the video and subscribe for new content every week.